What is up, everybody? How you doing today? My name is David DeFranco, and welcome back to my gaming channel. Today, we're going to do something a bit different. Typically, I focus on gameplay and unboxings and gaming-related tech and all that stuff. But today, I'm going to teach you how to get a PlayStation 5 fairly easily. Now, of course, I can't guarantee this method is going to work for you, but with a little bit of patience, you have a very good chance at acquiring a PlayStation 5. And I'm just going to throw this out there. I now have 2 PlayStation 5s, so yeah, whatever I'm doing is obviously working, and it can definitely work for you as well. Alright, let's get into the details. There are 2 ways to do this. The first way is to go on eBay. Yeah, I realize you probably don't want to hear that, but that's how I got my first PlayStation 5 digital version. I'm not proud to say this, but I did pay around $800 for mine. Now, keep in mind, it retails for around $400, so I quite literally paid double the retail price, but this was around Christmas time. I was desperate. Yes, I'm not afraid to say that. I was definitely desperate, and I wanted to feature that PlayStation 5 in my Christmas 2021 series, and I'm glad I did. I have zero regrets, guys. Love that console. However, with that said, check it out. Since then, prices have come down big time, so I have it searching for PlayStation 5 digital, time ending soonest. So this one is ending in 43 minutes. $387. This is an open box PS5, so I mean, if you're not afraid of getting used tech, this could definitely be a great deal. And look, you even get a foot. I don't know why people post pictures like this. It absolutely blows my mind. But anyway, yeah, this is a good deal. Whoa, hold on, never mind. $119 for shipping. Yeah, let's back out of that one. People are ridiculous. You know what? Instead, let's do this. Condition new. I'm a brand new kind of guy. So yeah, look, if you're looking to get a PS5 digital on eBay, you're going to be paying at least $600 plus shipping. So you're looking at, after taxes and whatever, maybe $650 to $700, which actually isn't that far off from what I paid. And then we could go to the PlayStation 5 disc version. Let's do the same exact variables here. New, ending soonest. That's the same bundle I got, guys. $700 plus $46 shipping. It's a lot of money, and plus, you know what, I gotta say it again, after taxes, you're looking to pay maybe $800 this time, so this isn't really a good deal considering this retails for $549 on PlayStation.com, and keep in mind, guys, I got free shipping with mine. So, how did I do this? With eBay aside, yes, this definitely works, but it's only gonna work if you're willing to actually pay the extra money like I did. This method number 2, is more of a sure thing if you're looking to be patient. Now, keep in mind, this is not going to happen overnight, but this is the best PlayStation 5 tracker I've used. Also, I should say real quick, this works for anything, such as the Xbox Series S, Xbox Series X. But for today's video, we're obviously going to focus on the PlayStation 5. And for this video, I'm going for the standard edition, you know, in other words, the one with the disc. Now, as you can see, this tracker is actually showing me it's in stock at Amazon. Now, I got to tell you something about Amazon. You see this? I have requested an invite twice on Amazon. And apparently, if you're picked, they'll select you within 72 hours. That's if they pick you. And I'll say it again. I've done this twice, and I have yet to hear anything from Amazon. But this tracker actually worked for me through PlayStation.com, guys. So this is exactly what I did. I went through PlayStation.com. Let me sign in real quick. Okay, we are signed in, which is actually required. Let's add to cart. This is very interesting. I wonder if I can just check out. Let me see. Hold on. This is kind of blowing my mind. Wait, what? Why am I making this video? Why is this allowing me to check out with a PS5 right now with no wait? Guys, I gotta tell you, it wasn't this easy for me. So let me back up real quick, just in case you don't see this screen. Go to this tracker, right? Guys, this exact website is linked right below. Click subscribe to instant stock alerts. Log in with Google, log in with your email, whatever you prefer. Okay, I'm logged in. Subscribe to instant stock alerts. Now, this is what worked for me. They actually sent me an email one day saying it was available on PlayStation.com. I logged into my PlayStation account, and I waited in line for maybe 20 to 30 minutes. I finally got to the front, and then it said sold out. A couple weeks went by. I got the alert again in my email. So I was like, okay, this is it. This is it. I got in as quick as I possibly could. And I was at the front of the line maybe in like 5 or 10 minutes. And then I was able to check out. And that's how easy it is, guys. Like, literally, just sign up for this tracker. subscribe for alerts using your email address, and just pay attention. And keep in mind, I've also received alerts for Best Buy before, but Best Buy has never worked for me. It just never has. I've actually gotten to the checkout process before using bestbuy.com, and then it says out of stock, which is extremely frustrating. So I'll say it for like a third time, guys. PlayStation.com is what works best for me. Amazon might work best for you if you get lucky, but I'm still blown away by the fact that I can just check out on PlayStation.com. Now, of course, by the time I upload this video, it might not be that easy. But yeah, either way, I'm going to link this tracker right below, guys. Use it. It does work. You just need to be patient. And there you have it. This video didn't exactly go as planned because that was a very, very nice surprise. I don't know why it's in stock. I don't know if it's a glitch or maybe I just got really lucky with timing. Well, because I will say my in-stock alerts are currently off in my inbox. So maybe I just happened to sign in when they got inventory in. I don't know. But guys, I'm telling you, use the tracker. It works. You just need to be patient. Patience is the key here. And of course, again, if you're not patient enough, you can always pay pretty much double the retail asking price via eBay. But hey, that's up to you. Hey, it's your money. You can spend it the way you like. Anyway, guys, I hope this video helped. That tracker is linked right below. And of course, if you do want to see my PlayStation 5 unboxing that I just uploaded this week, check it out right below. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to click that like button. I appreciate it. So I appreciate you. Thank you so much. And I'll talk to you soon. Peace.